What is up, guys? So we are back here, and so I went ahead and I kind of did a little spray on thing just to see if the paint would match. It's the complete different color, but don't worry, I already got the actual paint. Right now I'm just filling it up with antifreeze, coolant, whatever. So far from the last video, I already got all the mechanical things like the air intake set up, new radiator. Everything else is bolted up. Everything mechanically is already done. I'm trying to think, what did I do? Oh, I got clear headlights for the meantime. For now, I put the bumper back on. Right now, I'm gonna attempt to paint it, or at least prep it, and then if the weather gets any better, because I mean I don't have a paint booth, I'm gonna just paint it outside, and then I'll just wet sand and buff it out. But so far everything is going back smoothly. Right now I'm just checking the temps to make sure that nothing overheats or anything, but it's been running for a good while. So I got almost every light figured out except the brake and ABS. So I found out that I think either before the crash or maybe it already had it on there, but the ABS module is messed up. And so pretty much I figured that out because I had a problem with one of my headlights with the fuses, and I started checking the fuses and I noticed that one of them was missing. And then I go over to this one and it's the same one, but that one has it and this one doesn't. So I'm just like, that's weird. So I put it back on and the ABS module started going crazy. Like the car wasn't even on, it just started going crazy. So what I'm gonna do is, well, what I have to do is, because the ABS module, it's not something you can just take off another truck and put on. From my research, I might be wrong, I don't know, but from the research that I've done, you can't just do that. So what I need to do is I need to take that one off, send it out to get it rebuilt, and then put it back on so the lights on the dash will come off. But right now the car is drivable. It's just that I can't really take it out in the rain, or else the tires are gonna lock up and blah 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 and all that stuff. Other than that, it's good to go. But because I actually went to the junkyard today to see if I could find one. Because I do know that if you can actually slap one on here and it'll work, but it won't take care of the lights on the dash. I'm trying to take care of every single light on the dash. But I guess I'm gonna just wait and send that one to get rebuilt, and then that'll handle that. But so far everything is good. I can't remember if I mentioned it in the last video. I think I did mention it. I got the new glass. Right now I'm just checking everything on the motor, making sure that everything is good. So far everything is good. It's been running for a good while. Right now I'm gonna prep it, sand it all down to have it painted, and yeah, we will end on that. What is up, guys? So we are back here with the Ram project. I got one side painted, y'all can see right here. It came out pretty good. I painted the fender and the door, and the match came out pretty good. I didn't paint this right here, I painted this. It does need a good what's it called, wet sand, because I did get a little bit of debris and like little stuff in there, but other than that it came out pretty good. Let me flip the camera around real quick. Alright, so there it is. The clear came out pretty good. I do have a little bit of orange peel, but not too bad. Y'all can see where like the original paint has like oxidized a little bit compared to the new one, but I mean it came out pretty good. Like I said, I do need to wet sand it and buff it out because there are some imperfections. For example, there was a little run. I don't think I can see it on the camera. I don't think the camera's gonna be able to pick it up, but it's like, oh, I think you can right there. I don't know if y'all see it, but I can take care of that with a wet sand. And right now we're gonna paint this fender, which I have my little setup over here. I don't have any paint booth or anything, but this will do for now. It's just a fender, and I'm gonna sand it down right now because I had originally, I don't know, on the last video I had originally did a little like color match with some little like duplicate color cans just to see what it would do. Yeah, that I wouldn't try that ever again. It came out horrible. But right now I'm doing it with my little spray gun and stuff, so it should come out just like that side did. This one came out pretty good. Alright guys, so I got the first, well, not the first, this is probably like three and a half coats, I think, of, I don't even remember anymore. I know it's more than 3, but it's kind of hard to focus on it. But there it is. It went on pretty good. Didn't really struggle with anything. It's not wanting to focus, but everything came out good. Right now I'm cleaning out the gun because I'm gonna use the same gun to spray the clear. And there is some imperfections like around here. There's like a little dent. I'm not too worried about it because, like I said, I'm just trying to match the color of the truck. I'm not trying to make it look perfect or anything. But there it is. Alright guys, so I got the leveling kit on and I got the fender on. I don't know about this. I think I'm gonna have to blend it into the door. It's up close, it looks very similar. It could be the clear because the clear is oxidized a lot. I don't know if y'all can tell. Pretty sure y'all can tell. It's really bad. But either way, it doesn't matter if I blend it or not. I'm gonna because I mean it does have some little things that I just didn't want to take care of for the meantime. Like, I don't want it perfect, I just wanted something, you know, because I think I'm gonna end up taking this truck to work, so it's gonna get dinged up. But fender came out great. It matches with this, which is weird. And then that's the same color, obviously, which everything matches over here. But I did blend the door though. I did blend the door. I think that was my mistake over here, but it's no problem. I'll just blend it into the door and it'll look good. But other than that, there it is. The hood, I'm not gonna paint it because that is a different paint code. This is something else. This is just dirty. It's not, but it's a different paint code than the truck. So I'm gonna wait until I get the cow hood. Leveling kit's on. Leveling kit looks great, even though I still need to put the shock extenders because it's hella bouncy right now. But it looks good. So I just got done 100% done with the leveling kit. I was just struggling because the extender bracket, don't worry about none of this. All of this is going to get replaced with brand new parts. I just wanted to make sure that extender bracket actually went and actually did the job, and it does the job because I cannot find extended shocks by themselves. I gotta buy like a whole nother leveling kit. So the good thing is I got the extender, so that'll work. And the reason I was struggling so much with the torsion bar and all of that is because the shock actually was all the way decompressed and it wouldn't let the control arm go down anymore, making the torsion bar even stiffer than what it really needed to. So I finally got it done, and right now we're about to put the tire back on because it was like really bouncy. Now I just did a little test on this side and it's completely better. I'm about to do that side right now. Alright guys, so it did get a little late on me right now. It's getting dark, but as y'all can see, there's a leveling kit. I finally, it's done. Man, that fender's really bothering me. I gotta blend it in ASAP. I'll probably do it sometime this week, but it looks really good. I think hopefully I can clear these now, because just a while ago it was still hitting a little bit right there, just a little bit, just because the shock wouldn't let the control arm go down anymore, and it was like about a 2-inch difference. Now it's a lot better. I kind of jumped on here and see how the ride was, and it was actually, how to put it, it wasn't as bouncy as before. Now I can compare it to that one. That one has always rode really good, and that one's a 2-wheel drive actually, but it feels the same as far as like me jumping on it, and there it is. And as far as the CV axles, it's really hard to see, but it's not, they're not bad. The angles aren't really bad, to be honest. Oh crap, come on, focus. Anyways, there it is. Tomorrow I'm gonna put the tow mirrors I got some black and chrome ones. I'm gonna put the headlights back on. Trying to think, what else am I gonna do tomorrow? I'm gonna try to find some LEDs for it tomorrow. I don't think I have any left over, because I think I put them on the other Ram that I sold. But that's the plan for tomorrow. And then I gotta put the vents that go right there. Trying to think what else. I got more parts inside. I just forgot what else I got. Leveling kit. I got a brand new little washer fluid thing, brand new, because the other one looked kind of ugly. And I got something else in there. Never mind, it's the mirrors. But yeah, other than that, that's it. I think after installing the mirrors, I might actually even go get some brand new speakers for it, so it can be all good inside here. But I don't know, we will see. Thanks for watching. So I made my little brother wash the billets. McDonald's ain't free, cut. Say something to the blog.
Fucking wet me.
Yeah. That was funny. Oh shit. But anyways, on another note, I finally finished the Ram over here. I can't remember where I cut off on the last video, but so I did the headlights and the mirrors. They come out really good. I like how all the chrome pieces match. I wasn't gonna go all chrome, but you know, I'm starting to like it. Grill, that's not gonna be the one. I'm gonna get the same style like that, but for this year, and then I'm gonna color match it. Bumper, I'm trying to get the sport bumper. If not, I'm gonna have to color match that one. Fender, I still have to blend into the door, because y'all can see right there I messed up. My fault, but oh well. Other than that, everything is looking really, really good.